In today's video, I am going to teach you how to efficiently clear browser tabs on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the tab that you want to close. Make sure that the tab you want to remove is the Active tab, which means it is the one currently selected and visible on your screen. Once you are on the correct tab, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and then press the W key. This shortcut tells Google Chrome to immediately close the Active tab. It is one of the fastest ways to clear tabs without needing to move your mouse to the small X at the top of the browser window. If you are working with several tabs and want to close them more efficiently, this method can save time because you can keep your hands on the keyboard and repeat the shortcut as needed. Just be careful to confirm that you are on the right tab before using it, especially if you have important pages open that you still need. A helpful tip is to use this shortcut calmly and one tab at a time if you are cleaning up a busy browser window. That will help you avoid closing something by mistake. If that happens, you can usually reopen the last closed tab in Chrome, but it is still best to stay aware of which tab is selected before you press the keys. So to recap, open Google Chrome, select the tab you want to close, press and hold Control, and then press W. Chrome will close that Active tab right away, making it easy to keep your browser organized and manageable. That covers everything you need to know.